Top 10 Detox Juice Recipes. Here are some of the most popular juice recipes for weight loss we found to give you some ideas for a homemade juice cleanse. Always feel free to experiment with new ingredients, and you'll never be bored with detox juice. The following recipes all fall into the juicing for weight loss category. They are packed full of nutrients to help boost weight loss and detoxify your body. Whether you're doing a juice cleanse for weight loss, or detoxifying, the following juice for cleanse recipes will help you feel and look great, fast. 1. Ultimate Green Detox Juice. 2. Tropical Carrot Apple Juice. 3. Zesty Lemon Apple Juice. 4. KidFriendly Green Juice. 5. Redzinger Breakfast Juice. 6. Green Spinach Lemonade. 7. Allergy Fighting Green Detox Juice. 8. Orange Dreamsicle Detox Juice. 9. Easy Start Detox Juice. 10. Green Ginger Ale Weight Loss Juice. Helpful tip: always use organic ingredients whenever possible to reduce the risk of toxins. Each recipe makes 2 servings. Number 1. The Ultimate Green Detox Juice. This delicious green detox juice recipe is one of the most popular recipes available. It has the perfect balance of fruits and vegetables. It makes a perfect blend for detoxing your body after the holidays or a party. Apple is full of nutrition. In addition to being a good source of vitamin C, apples also contain polyphenols, which can have numerous health benefits. Add or subtract the apple servings in this juice for cleansing to make it more or less sweet according to your taste. Ultimate Green Detox Juice Recipe. Ingredients: 2 green apples cut in half. 3 stalks celery no leaves. 1 cucumber. 8 leaves kale. 1/2 lemon peeled. 1 piece fresh ginger. Sprig of mint optional. Instructions: wash all the weight loss juice ingredients well and pat dry. Cut fruit and vegetables into 1 to 2 inch chunks. Remove any peels. Place all ingredients in a juicer. Process into juice according to manufacturer's directions. Number 2. Tropical Carrot Apple Juice. This is a really delicious drink, and is full of beneficial nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Carrots are a great source of vitamin A in the form of beta-carotene. They are also an excellent source of B vitamins, vitamin K and potassium. The carrot juice is pleasantly sweet, and pairs well with the tartness of the apples. When buying apples, choose firm ones as they will produce a clearer juice. Tropical Carrot Apple Juice Recipe. Ingredients: 1 large apple quartered. 1/2 cup pineapple chunks. 2 large carrots. 2 pieces fresh ginger. Instructions: wash all the weight loss juice ingredients well and pat dry. Cut fruit and vegetables into 1 to 2 inch chunks. Remove any peels. Place all ingredients in a juicer. Process into juice according to manufacturer's directions. Number 3. Zesty Lemon Apple Juice. This juice for diet is a surprisingly light and tangy detox drink that makes a perfect juice cleanse for breakfast. Besides all the antioxidants in the apples and lemons, the cucumbers have many health benefits as well, including vitamin K, making this juice cleanse recipe perfect for fighting inflammation. If you're looking for a new juicer before or during your juice cleanse, try this best-selling electric juicer. Zesty Lemon Apple Juice Recipe. Ingredients: 2 lemons peeled and halved. 4 apples quartered. 2 cucumbers halved. 1 cup water. Instructions: wash all the weight loss juice ingredients well and pat dry. Cut fruit and vegetables into 1 to 2 inch chunks. Remove any peels. Place all ingredients in a juicer. Process into juice according to manufacturer's directions. Number 4. KidFriendly Green Juice. If you're looking for a detox juice recipe for kids they will love, this is a good one. The fruits do a good job of masking the taste of the vegetables, and this recipe tastes like a fruit juice. Spinach is an excellent source of many vitamins and minerals. It contains high amounts of carotenoids, vitamin C, vitamin K, folic acid, iron and calcium. This green juice recipe will be a big hit in your home. If you're a picky eater, make this detox juice recipe for kids, for yourself. KidFriendly Green Juice Recipe. Ingredients: 2 oranges peeled. 1 lemon peeled, 1 green apple quartered, 1 cup baby spinach, 1 leaf kale. Instructions. Wash all the weight loss juice ingredients well and pat dry. Cut fruit and vegetables into 1 to 2 inch chunks. Remove any peels. Place all ingredients in a juicer. Process into juice according to manufacturer's directions. Number 5. Redzinger breakfast juice. Here's another great juice detox recipe to start your morning with. It's got a great nutritional profile from the vegetables and fruits, and it tastes great, with a slight kick from the lemons. The beets are a good source of vitamins and minerals, such as folate, potassium, manganese, iron and vitamin C. This is one of our favorite detox juices, for the color alone. But don't fret, this juice cleanse recipe is as delicious as it is beautiful. Redzinger breakfast juice recipe. Ingredients: 2 lemons, 2 carrots, 2 apples, 2 beet. Instructions. Wash all the weight loss juice ingredients well and pat dry. Cut fruit and vegetables into 1 to 2 inch chunks. Remove any peels. Place all ingredients in a juicer. Process into juice according to manufacturer's directions. So there you have it, the first 5 detox juice recipes for weight loss. The next video will present the last 5 recipes to complete it. Be sure to subscribe to Healthline Matters so you do not miss any of our weekly video tips and secrets to improve your health, fitness and lifestyle. Your Healthline Matters. Thank you for watching.